The Insta360 X4 is already a top-tier 360-degree action camera, making it difficult to imagine what could come next. However, with the growing competition from GoPro and DJI, Insta360 will need to bring something new. While the X5 hasn't been officially announced, speculation is building about potential upgrades. To stay ahead, it will need better image quality, improved audio, stronger durability, and longer battery life. Here's what we might see in the next generation 360-degree camera. A sensor upgrade is one of the most anticipated improvements for the Insta360 X5. The X4 features a 0.5-inch sensor capable of delivering 72 MP in 360-degree mode and 18 MP in standard shooting. While these numbers are impressive, a larger sensor could bring significant benefits, especially in terms of low light performance. The size of the sensor has a direct impact on image quality, affecting dynamic range, color accuracy, and noise levels. If Insta360 moves to a 1-inch sensor, similar to what we've seen in the Insta360 1R 1-inch edition, it could offer noticeably better image clarity and detail, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. The X3 and X4 both shared the same sensor, so an upgrade is long overdue. If Insta360 wants the X5 to stand out, increasing the sensor size should be a priority. Audio quality is another area where improvements are needed. While action cameras have made significant advancements in video performance, audio often lags behind. The Insta360 X4 features built-in microphones and voice control, but it doesn't quite match the improved sound quality found in newer GoPro models. Clear audio is essential for vlogging, narration, and even casual recording, yet wind noise and environmental interference often make it difficult to capture clean sound. With smartphones integrating AI-powered noise reduction for calls and video recordings, it wouldn't be surprising to see a similar feature introduced in the Insta360 X5. Enhancing the onboard microphones with improved wind resistance, intelligent audio filtering, and a more directional pickup pattern could make a noticeable difference. If Insta360 aims to make the X5 a more versatile tool for creators, investing in better audio technology will be a key step. Durability has always been a concern for 360-degree cameras, mainly due to the exposed nature of their lenses. The Insta360 X4 introduced removable lens guards, which provided an extra layer of protection, but the lenses themselves remain vulnerable to scratches and damage. Since 360 cameras rely on capturing everything around them, traditional lens hoods or covers aren't practical solutions. Insta360 needs to explore innovative ways to make the X5's lenses more resistant to wear and tear. Whether that means using stronger, scratch-resistant glass or incorporating a more advanced protective coating, improving durability will be essential. Replacing damaged lenses is both costly and complicated, so making them more resilient from the start would be a welcome upgrade. Another feature that could set the Insta360 X5 apart is the addition of GPS tracking. GoPro reintroduced this feature with the Hero 13 after removing it from the Hero 12, and it remains one of the most useful tools for action camera users. Whether capturing an epic mountain bike ride, a scenic hike, or a high-speed ski run, having GPS data embedded in your footage adds an extra layer of context and storytelling. Being able to track exactly where a shot was taken makes organization easier and enhances the overall experience when reviewing footage. For those who use action cameras for sports and adventure activities, GPS tracking is a must-have. If Insta360 integrates this feature into the X5, it would bring the camera in line with other top-tier competitors. Battery life is another major consideration for any action camera, especially one that records in high resolutions like 8K. The Insta360 X4 already delivers solid battery performance, but further improvements would enhance usability, particularly for those who shoot extended clips or use the camera in extreme environments. Along with longer battery life, Insta360 should focus on better heat management. Overheating has been a common issue in many action cameras, particularly when recording in high resolutions for extended periods. The latest GoPro models have been redesigned with improved cooling systems to combat this, and it would be smart for Insta360 to follow suit. By optimizing heat dissipation, the X5 could maintain better performance during long recording sessions without the risk of overheating and shutdowns. Aside from these major upgrades, there are several other areas where the Insta360 X5 could bring new innovations. AI-powered editing is already a strong point in Insta360's ecosystem, but further advancements in automatic subject tracking, motion smoothing, and real-time effects could make content creation even more seamless. Increasing frame rates for smoother slow-motion playback would be another welcome improvement, especially for those who enjoy capturing fast-moving action. Wireless charging is becoming more common in consumer electronics, and adding this feature to the X5 would make recharging more convenient. Waterproofing is another aspect that could see an upgrade. While the Insta360 X4 is water-resistant, making the X5 fully waterproof without requiring a case would open up more possibilities for underwater shooting. Insta360 has a reputation for pushing the boundaries of 360-degree action cameras, and expectations for the X5 are high. With GoPro and DJI continuously refining their own offerings, Insta360 will need to ensure that the X5 isn't just an incremental upgrade, but a true step forward. A larger sensor, improved audio, better lens protection, GPS tracking, and extended battery life would make the X5 a worthy successor to the X4. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the demand for a next-generation 360 camera is clear. The action camera market is becoming increasingly competitive, and Insta360 has the opportunity to solidify its place at the top with the X5. Whether it arrives in 2025 or later, one thing is certain. The next iteration of Insta360's 360-degree camera will push the boundaries of what's possible in immersive action filming. If Insta360 delivers the right combination of upgrades, the X5 could be the new gold standard for 360-degree cameras.